Hi, I'm Justin Bach, Product Development Manager here at Buck Knives at the 2018 SHOT Show. What I'd like to show you here is a new series of knives that we are proud to be presenting. Buck and Remington have formed a partnership to create a nice line of knives from everyday to tactical, with also a mix of domestic and imported products. So what we're going to start off here is the Remington bullet knives. This is a made in USA product. It has the classic bullet feature that has appeared in other bullet knives throughout some of the previous production. So we're paying attention to the history of the product and making sure that we continue that into the future. So with the two versions here, this one has a wood handle, again with the bullet inlay and a 420 high carbon steel blade. This has a real elk with a sterling silver bullet, also with the 420 high carbon steel blade. Moving on to the Heritage series here, we have three products in our Heritage series. We have the fixed and large folder, the small folder, and all of our Heritage series is coming with a leather sheath. These are imported products now. Moving on to our everyday carry, a couple of everyday folders, the large and the small. Sportsman series really focused on the hunting and skinning side of things. So we have fixed blades, large and small. We also have folders in two different sizes. The large is with a lock back, and the smaller folders have a liner lock. This is one of my favorite products here in the Remington lineup. This is a three-piece kit. So this three-piece kit has the drop point with gut hook, regular drop point, and the caping blade. They all click down in here into this nice, convenient three-piece carry system. This is our Fast Series 2.0. It's a spring-assisted line of knives. The thumb stud, nice strong action there, pocket clip, several different camo options, and two different size options. So that is some real nice flipping performance with that added spring in there. But these are non-spring assisted, but they do have a generously sized flipper, and they flip open quite easily. So depending on your preference, you can get the spring assist or the non-spring assist, but even the non-spring assists are not slow. They really fly out of there. These are the fixed blades in our Fast series. They come with a nice injection molded plastic sheath. And our Tactical series here, we have a fixed blade with the titanium coating and carbon fiber inlay, and then two folders, one with the titanium coated handle and a G10 handle also with carbon fiber inlay.